If you or your company believe you may have violated Export Administration regulations, proactively disclosing the violation through a VSD to BIS could substantially reduce or eliminate penalties. A VSD shows your intent to comply with U.S. export control requirements. BIS recently introduced a dual-track system for processing VSDs. Minor violations will now be resolved within 60 days, either with no action or a warning letter. More serious violations will involve further investigation by the Office of Export Enforcement. The rule also formalizes a streamlined submission process for minor violations, encouraging companies to bundle such issues into quarterly reports. Importantly, the failure to disclose significant violations will now be considered an aggravating factor, potentially leading to higher penalties. An important aspect to consider is the distinction between willful and non-willful mistakes. This distinction is crucial for the OEE when assessing export compliance. Willful mistakes are those made intentionally or with knowledge that the action is prohibited. Non-willful mistakes occur when a company has a compliance program in place, but an error still occurs. According to FBI Special Agent Cindy Burnham, a non-willful mistake is less problematic if you can demonstrate that you had a compliance program in place when the mistake occurred. However, it's important to note that if a non-willful mistake is discovered and not reported, it can transform into a willful violation. This is where voluntary self-disclosure becomes crucial. By self-disclosing, you protect a mistake from being considered willful once you discover it has occurred. This distinction can significantly affect the outcome of your case and the penalties you may face. For this full video on VSD and a deeper dive into other topics affecting exporters, head to the link in the notes below to learn more about Passages Premium, where you'll find exclusive interviews with industry experts, access to ask your specific import-export questions, dozens of webinar recordings, and much more.